Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Okie Twister 66. End of March, Saturday morning. Crisp and cold, but clear. It's going to warm up a little today. Should be up around 70. Right now it's around 50. I'm going to be going down to Fort Thunder Harley-Davidson in Moore, Oklahoma. They have got a bike and car show. It's their second annual bike and car show. So I thought I might just run down there, take a look, see what's going on. Okay, here I am at Fort Thunder Harley-Davidson for their second annual bike and car show. Looks like a pretty good turnout. Let's check it out. that was pretty fun. There was a lot of cool cars, a lot of cool bikes, a ton of bikes for sale. Looks like bike inventory is starting to get a little bit better than it has been over the last couple of years. So a lot of those bikes that I saw were for sale. So I got a little bit of video and everything. So we'll put that together on a little thingamadoodle video. But man, it's such a beautiful day out. It's starting to get warm. So I'm on the way back home. Got a couple of things I want to do to the bike in the garage. So thanks for sticking around with me today. I hope you liked this video. If so, give me a thumbs up, hit me with some comments, and better yet, why don't you subscribe and follow my adventures. I've got some more modifications, some new parts I'm going to be putting on. So this is Okie Twister 66 signing off. Until next time, ride safe, have fun, 2 wheels down.